Hello, myself Rajkumar. I am from ECV. My topic name is environmental hazards and disasters. First of all, what is a hazard? An hazard is a agent which has a potential to destroy or cause harm to the humans. Hazards can be both natural or human induced. Now, environmental hazard. An environmental hazard is an substance or a state which has the potential to threaten the surrounding environment and adversely affects the human health, including natural disasters such as storms and earthquakes. Types of environmental hazards. Majorly, there are five types of environmental hazards. They are chemical hazards, biological hazards, psychological hazards, mechanical hazards, and physical hazards. First of all, chemical hazards. Chemical hazards are those hazards which are created by the industries. The chemicals the chemicals will be released into the air and they pollute the air, and they also release the chemicals into the water. So they majorly most of the industries were built near to the rivers or seas. Due to this, the water gets polluted, and if we drink the water we will get diseases like fluoride and etc. If they release the gases into the air, we will get acid rains. Due to this, we will affect it will affect the human skins. Due to the acid rains, the humans get skin cancer. Biological hazards are nothing but the waste released from the surgeries in the hospitals. They properly don't degrade the waste from the hospitals. Due to this, many unknown diseases will be formed, and due to this humans will be affected. Psychological hazards. These are the hazards which causes stress to the humans, and due to this the humans get some diseases like heart attacks, etc. Mechanical hazards. These are mainly occur in the working sites such as construction. In constructions, the crane will be broken. Due to this, many people will be injured. Physical hazards are nothing but the environmental hazards are natural hazards such as earthquakes, tsunamis, and etc. Next topic is disasters. First of all, what is a disaster? A disaster is a sudden calamitous event that can cause seriously damage to the humans, their economy, and their habitat. Due to this, they all lose its lose their resources. Types of disasters. There are mainly two types of disasters. They are natural and man-made disasters. First of all, natural disasters. Natural disaster is a major event resulting from the natural process of the earth. Types of natural disasters: earthquakes, tsunamis, tornadoes, floods, cyclones, mudslide, avalanches, volcano eruptions, hurricanes, etc. First of all, earthquakes. These occurs due to the collision of the tectonic plates under in the Earth's crust. Due to the tectonic plates will be collide each other, and there is a chance of getting earthquakes. Next, tsunamis. Tsunamis are nothing but a big high range of waves that float from the sea, and due to high speed wind, the waves will be flowing at a speed of 190 kilometers per hour. Due to this, the large wave will be coming, and it will wash out all the buildings and etc. In 2011, a major tsunami is occurred in the Japan. Due to this, the people in Japan lost their habitat. Tornadoes. These are nothing but the winds that are circling together in round. Due to this, the many people will lose their houses and their habitat. Floods are occur due to the im- heavy rains, because nowadays we are using large amount of plastic, and we are throwing in the soil. Due to this, the plastic do not be degraded. So due to not degrading of plastic, the water will be flown above the ground, and it will not sink into the earth. Due to this, we will get the floods. The floods removes the top layer of the soil. Due to this, there is a chance of occurrence of soil erosion. Next one, cyclones. Cyclones are majorly occur into the North Pacific region and Atlantic region. Due to this, there may be so many people, so many types of cyclones, such as snow, deserts, and etc. Snow, sand cyclones majorly occurs in the US and Canada. Mudslides are nothing but the so much heavy rain will be occurred. In the process of heavy rain, the mountains will be the soil from the mountain will be slowly melting, and it will form in bigger huge amount of water, and thus it will flow. The water will be flown, and if it will affect the top layer of the soil. Avalanches are nothing but the breakage of snow in the mountains. Due to the breakage of snow, there is a chance of increasing the water level. Volcano eruptions are mainly occur due to the presence of gases like SO2, H2SO4. Due to these gases, the volcanoes will be active. The volcanoes are majorly present in the Pacific Ocean, near the Pacific Ocean. Hurricanes are nothing but the a large heavy rain is occurring. Due to this, so many will lose their habitat. Man-made disasters have an element of human intent or negligence or error. This will induce due to the humans. Types of man-made disasters: deforestation, environmental pollution, accidents, industrial disasters, wars. Deforestation. Nowadays, the world population is growing. It's nearly 700 billion. Due to the sudden or rapid change in population or rise in population, everyone needs the food and habitat. For their food and habitat, they are destroying the forests, are and they are cutting down the trees. Due to this, the humans are suffering a lot because of no rainfall and proper management of there is no proper rainfall. Due to this, they are suffering from food. Environmental pollution due to the humans, for to develop their countries. To develop the countries, there should be companies and industries. These industries are creating lots of problem in the environment. Due to the industries, the water is polluting, soil is polluting, and air is polluting. Due to the pollution of the environment, the humans are suffering. Eh, Now the ice in the Antarctica is melting due to the greenhouse gases such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Next, industrial disasters are nothing but the disasters that occur in industries due to the errors occur in the industries such as Chernobyl nuclear accident. Due to the improper management of the industry, there is occurred a accident, and the whole nuclear gas is spread throughout the sky for many days. It's also active due to the radiation from the uranium. So many people got affected and they melt, they got so many diseases. Next one is wars. Wars are intentional between these countries due to show their supremacy over the world. For this, they will, the countries are doing many researches in the new technologies, and they are fighting for the power in the world against other countries, and they are occupying the small countries and they're destroying, and the people in those countries are losing their habitat.